Opera, a full real-time management system. Born specifically for amusement parks. A new solution able to follow all ride needs, improving ride safety and maintenance for a real-time park control experience. Often parks face difficulties like ride malfunction or machine downtime and lack of information and difficulties for spare parts, keeping even all paperwork updated and compiling daily logbook, but also team communication and organization skills. Opera takes care of this need. Imagine all rides connected to a PLC, transmitting information into the dedicated Opera server settled inside the park. Information such as real data parameters, logbooks, remote assistance, team collaboration, real-time status, maintenance management, documents management, and also spare parts management. All of these features plus a nice security cloud system. This information can be easily managed by park administrator through a workstation system, as well as operators through the use of new generation devices. All this data are then easily managed by a custom-made web application, but also by a custom-made mobile application specific for operators on the field. Let's take a closer look into how these two channels communicate. Documents management is very easy with Opera. In fact, it's possible to store, organize, backup, view in mobility, and update a technical ride lifecycle document and content. For example, I can access anytime a chapter from the ride manual from my web application as well as my mobile application. Many different multimedia content, such as images from a specific ride, can be accessed by the web application through a gallery view, and those same content are also available on the mobile application. With Opera, you have also access to other type of files, such as DVG drawings, that can be very useful for the operators, especially on the field. Those documents can be opened directly from your portable device. Through this document management preview, there is also a gallery referred to the spare parts that can be accessed from both mobile and web application with all the following details regarding the spare part table and its directly components. Opera Opera takes logbook management into a whole new level. In fact, it presets and fills automatically the logbook with data coming from executed activities, ride alarms, inspection or reports. Everything then can be easily printed in a click and easily managed if needed. As we can see here, you can choose different annexes and then click to print. What you download are all the specific information coming from activities that have been registered through the mobile application coming from the executed activity. As we can see here as reference, we have the activity with all its results that are exactly the same reports that are now registered in this PDF version of the logbook. Spare part management is also very easy with Opera. All information on the spare parts are always available and preloaded by Remorides. Elements such as a smart spare parts searching and ordering system, galleries, interactive spare parts manuals, and easy order creation. Everything can be accessed by the web application and the mobile application. Everything is very easy to find thanks to the Smart Gallery overview. Every table have their own list of components with the exact code of reference and a preview of the image that can be also opened and enlarged for a detailed view. One of the main features is maintenance management. The customized CMMS software increases park safety by adding maintenance calendar, which is preloaded by Remorides, activity scheduling, automatic notification, and a very neat history data storage. But let's see how the two channels interact with an activity. First, from the mobile application, the operators can select the activity scheduled for that day. He can view all the details and information and use them as guidelines to perform correctly the activity. For example, we have main description of the activity, further notes, and every step that must be followed. Same information are obviously available on the administrator web application. But let's see how the operator fills in the information. Once he executes the activity, he can start filling in the required spaces, for example, adding a general note. But most important, he can start filling in the results for each step. If needed, it is possible for the operator to add also a note for each step. All these results are automatically synchronized with the web application so that the administrator can view in real time what is going on. As we can see here, you can view notes just added, but also the steps that have been already performed. It is also possible to add a picture directly from the mobile device that gets uploaded right away into the web application. This content becomes then part of the knowledge of the activity of the ride, even in real time. One of the main innovations of Opera is the real-time ride status that can be combined with Sensor's wireless network. Through a combination of proprietary hardware connected to a ride PLC and a dedicated software installed on Opera server, all rides data can be checked in real time, allowing access to telemetry of physical parameters of the ride, as well as preventive maintenance based on real ride working hours. Team collaboration is something very valuable as well. Opera improves efficiency by giving tools for knowledge sharing between members of the team. A private social platform where administrator and operator can communicate with other team members or each other by sending an electronic message. As we can see, the operator has a preview of an incoming message with a notification and a sound on his mobile device. He can easily reply, and everything will be registered into the view panel of the web application. This message can be sent to a single user or a target group. In addition to the messages, there is also a section which is called forum. Here you can store topics about the ride between members of groups. Creating a new topic is very easy. You have to just select a ride and a group of reference, and then fill in with the text regarding the ride. Once created, the operator receives the topics on his form section of the mobile device.